Hi everybody, this is a second video for this sample exam question. Previously, I have explained how to do adjusting entries for these questions. So in this video, you will see about how to do or to prepare an adjusted trial balance. Okay, these are the adjusted entries that you have seen before. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjusted entries related to 5 additional informations in the question. So, question B required you to prepare an adjusted trial balance. Okay, see how to prepare the adjusted trial balance. Okay, the first thing that you have to know is the definition of the adjusted trial balance. An adjusted trial balance is a trial balance prepared after you have done the adjusting entries. The way to prepare the adjusted trial balance is easy. I think this step number 6 in the accounting cycle is the easiest step to do. When you want to do or to prepare the adjusted trial balance, you have to refer to the adjusting entries that you have done. Okay, I will show you the process. So here, this is the trial balance. The trial balance have been, you can see this trial balance in the question. Okay, so all the items are here. The total is 250,000. So the first step to prepare the adjusted trial balance is you have to show all the adjustments that you have done when you do the adjusting entries. Okay, these are the adjusting entries that you have done. Okay, let's see how to do it. So the first adjusting entry is debit laundry supplies expense 7950, and then credit laundry supplies 7950. So to do or to show the adjustment, you have to check. For the first journal entry, debit laundry supplies expense. So do you have account laundry supplies expense here? Okay, there is no account for laundry supplies expense. Then you have to add the new add the account below this balance, this trial balance. The entry is debit 7950. So this is the adjustment. So this is the debit adjustment, this is the credit adjustment. So laundry supplies expense, the adjustment is 7950 debit. Okay, you are done with this. The second adjusting entry is debit laundry supplies 7950. So you search for the laundry supplies account here. Okay, there is a laundry supplies account here. So the adjustment is credit 7950. So credit, the adjustment is credit 7950. Okay, this is done. Okay, the next adjusting entries is debit insurance expense 3200. Okay, is there any account insurance expense here? Okay, no account for insurance expense. Then you add the account below the trial balance. Insurance expense. Okay, the amount is debit. The adjustment is debit 3,200. So this is the adjustment. This is debit 3,200. Okay, you are done with this. And then the next adjustment is debit prepaid insurance 3,200. Okay, you look for the prepaid insurance account. So there is an account for that. Prepaid insurance. So the adjustment is credit 3,200. So the adjustment is credit 3,200. So this is done. And then the next adjustment is depreciation expense debit 14,200. Okay, you don't have account depreciation expense in the trial balance, so you add the account here. Depreciation expense. The amount is debit 14,200. Debit 14,200. So just tick here so that you know that you have done the adjustment. So and then credit accumulated depreciation for laundry expense, laundry equipment 14,200. So you already have the account accumulated depreciation for the laundry equipment. The adjustment is credit 14,200. So this is done. The next entry is debit wages expense 750. Is there any account wages expense here? So it is here. And then the adjustment is debit 750. So wages expense debit 750. And then you credit wages payable 750. There are no wages payable account in the trial balance. You add the account here. Wages payable credit 750. Credit 750. And then okay, you have done this too. The next adjustment is debit cash 50. So you already have the account cash. This is account cash debit 50. And then credit unearned revenue 50. So there is no account unearned revenue in the trial balance. You add the account here, unearned revenue. Credit 50. Okay, so you have done all the adjustments. After you have done all the adjustment, now you can prepare the adjusted trial balance. Okay, this is debit, this is credit. So now how to prepare the adjusted trial balance. See here, the trial balance shows that the cash has a 5,500 debit balance. The adjustment is debit the cash account 50. So here in the adjusted trial balance, you have to show a new balance, a balance for account cash after the adjustment. So debit, the cash has a debit balance here, and the adjustment is also a debit entry. So the way to do it is this one plus this one. So the new amount for the adjusted trial balance is 5,550. And then, okay, let's see. Laundry supplies in the trial balance, it has a debit balance of 9450. The adjustment is credit 7950. So remember this. If the balance in the trial balance is debit and the adjustment is credit, you have to minus the number. 9450 minus 7950. You will get a new amount. The amount is 1,500. This one minus this one. The logic is like this. Laundry supplies in the trial balance, it has a balance of 9450, and then when you do the adjustment, you reduce the supplies by 7950. So the balance of the account supplies after the adjustment is 1500. Prepaid insurance 4300. The adjustment is 3,200. This is not in the right place. Prepaid insurance 4,300. The adjustment is credit 3,200. And then you know that you have to minus the number. Here the balance is debit in the trial balance. The adjustment is credit 3,200. So in the adjusted trial balance, the amount is this number minus this number. So the adjusted balance is 1,100. Laundry equipment has no adjustment. So you just carry the number $142,000. Accumulated depreciation. The balance in the trial balance is 75,200. Credit. The adjustment is 14,200 credit. So you add these two numbers. Credit and credit, you add the numbers. Okay, this account payable has no adjustment, so you just carry the number 4,900. Capital has no adjustment, you just carry the number. Drawing has no adjustment, you just carry the number. This one also has no adjustment. 116,100. Okay, see the wages expense. Wages expense, the balance in the trial balance is 52,000, and then the adjustment is debit 750. So the adjusted number is 52750. This one has no adjustment, just carry the number 650. This one has no adjustment, 10200. This one has no adjustment, 2700. Okay, these are additional accounts, so you just carry all the numbers. 7950, 3200, 14,200, 750, and 50. Okay, so this is the adjusted trial balance. You calculate the total in the debit side and credit side, and you will get the total balances. In the debit side is 265,000. The credit side is also 265,000. Okay, remember the definition of adjusted trial balance. The definition is a trial balance after the adjusting entries. And then how to do it? To do it, you have to copy the trial balance, and then you have to show all the adjustments. The adjustments are related to the adjusting entries. And then the adjusted trial balance is prepared as a trial balance after doing the adjusting entries. This is the process. But in the examination, you don't have to show the process. The thing that you have to show in the examination is you have to show the adjusted trial balance only. You have to show all the accounts and then all the balances for these accounts. So for every item, you will get mark. If one item is 1 mark, then you can calculate all the total marks. Thank you very much. You can communicate with me in the comment section.